Hi everybody, it's Nancy here. I have a new project for you today. This is my February design team project for Lavender Blu Journals. It's a love themed journal, of course, and I've used quite a variety of products from the store, so I will try to remember to link all of them below, and I'll point them out as I go through. This was a fun one to put together. I thought, February is a shorter month, and it would be okay to make a smaller journal. And so I started with the base journal collection it's called Love Notes Journal Kit, and it's just so pretty. It's got roses and lots of writing space. So I used that for the main kit, and it's just so pretty. It could be good for weddings, for anniversaries, for just the month of February for your journaling. I left lots of space in it for journaling, and I actually didn't add any tea-stained or coffee-stained paper or anything else, but I'll go through it as we go through. There's one signature, and I made the cover just out of a heavier craft weight, a heavier craft cardstock. So then I used half of one of the fold-over pages for the front cover with the Love Notes title. I've added a little bit of washi tape here, which I have used a little bit throughout the collection. That's one of the things in my hoard in my stash that I don't usually remember to use. So I pulled it out and I just put little bits here and there. I added a ribbon on the side, then a paper clip with a little heart charm. And then the back is the other side of the paper, and it's just pretty. I've distressed everything with walnut stain ink around the edge. So when you open the front cover, as with all my journals, I did reinforce the spine with Tyvek. I wasn't going to at first. I thought, well, I'll just use it for journaling this month. And then I thought it might get bigger than I thought, so I wanted it to have that support. I also added a strip of cheesecloth because I like the texture of it. This is one of the pockets from the collection. I tucked that in, and then I also used throughout my journal, I used the love quotes, and that's another collection in Fiona's shop, and it's just filled with all kinds of pretty love quotes in different colors, so I've used quite a few. So here in the front pocket are from the collection, and this I just added a little bit of cardstock just to bring in that pink. I added a piece of lace down that edge. This page I did nothing to because it's so pretty, and there's so many pretty pages that have the images and the lines for the journaling, so it doesn't need a thing. Here I used a strip of washi to add this journaling card with a love quote. I've got a little bit of cheesecloth under all of the quotes just because of texture, and that just flips up for private journaling underneath. Here's another pocket from the kit, and I love this key page. I think that's so pretty, and of course I had to add a little key charm to the top of the tag, and then the tag too has keys all over it. So I just tuck those in there. This piece is from the Be My Valentine kit. I printed out just one page from that collection, and it had a little bit of ephemera that I kind of used throughout the journal. This is a page from the Distressed Ledger papers. I like the lines in it, and it takes the place of having the tea-stained or coffee-stained paper in it. Then here I've got a paper clip with a little piece of cheesecloth on the top. This is from the Butterfly Flip-Up Specimen card. I'll turn it over before I take it off. So I just put it over a page like this. And if you take it off, this is the specimen card. I used actually a piece of tracing paper. I was going to put clear acrylic in there, and then I thought, that mutes it really nicely, and I had it right here on my desk. I added another strip of the lace and the butterfly, fussy cut the butterfly, that came in the kit, and then it flips up like this. And then on the back there's a pocket. This could be put inside too, but because I was putting it over the page, I thought this was better. There's a little pocket and a little notes for some more journaling, and that just gets tucked right over the page. Here's the next page. I've added a piece of lace to the top and the bottom of the distressed ledger pages. Here I did just a little tuck on the bottom, and then these two are from the Be My Valentine ephemera page. They match this collection beautifully, so you could add all kinds of things from it. The roses are also lovely, and I like this. Lots of room for journaling. And this is one of the window envelopes. Fiona has a collection in the shop that has several of these window envelopes, and this tag fit in there beautifully. This is the one from the Love Notes journal kit. I put the Forever Love in there, and the fussy cut flowers are from the Be My Valentine and the You and Me. And this page, this background page, is from the old handwriting collection, and it's just got beautiful script on it, and the colors match nicely. And here's a little journal card tucked in behind. Here's another little flip out stuck on with washi tape, another love quote. I won't read them all to you. You can check out the collection. There's lots of beautiful sentiments. Here's another one of the pockets. I made a cardstock tag and used this little butterfly and tab. Those were from the flip up, the butterfly flip up specimen card, and so they worked really nicely in there. And then I added another quote, a little bit of washi tape, lots more room for journaling, and this can be journaled on too. Here's another key journaling card, and I added another key tag, and then another key charm, another quote, love is the master key that opens the gates of happiness, so that ties in with the keys. A little bit more washi tape. Here's another quote with just a tuck spot for a couple of the tags that are in the collection. There's a belly band in the collection, and then I just had an extra page that I printed out and cut to tuck in there. More pretty flowers. Another page just to tuck behind the quote. And then all of this is open for more journaling. Here's a little envelope with one of the ephemera pieces tucked in. And then I put that on for a pocket, and then added just the pink cardstock along with one of the tags from the collection. This is the other side of that ledger paper with the lace on it, and then I just stuck on the hearts and the butterfly. Journaling, the other side of the ledger paper. Here's another little one of the envelopes, and I just put it over the page. There's a little Cupid charm I found in my stash, so I added that. And then if you turn it over, it's got just the flap here with the butterfly and memories. So if I take that off, there's some more ephemera bits in there. Everything's pretty and pink and flowers. So that just goes, paper clip just has a piece of cheesecloth to tuck out the top. I couldn't find my, usually with these things I use a jump ring, and for some reason my jump rings are missing. I know I used them recently on another project, so a jump ring would help that lie a little flatter, especially since it's flipping out now. But I'll find them. I'll probably trade that one out. Here's another one of the window pockets. And on this one, I used this ephemera with the birds because it looked so cute. It looked like little lovebirds. And then I just adhered it on this side and scored it so that it would flip up. But when it's put in the pocket, then it just shows the two birds there. I thought that was really pretty. ribbon there, little washi, another quote. This is another one of the handwriting pages with the script on it. Here I cut just a little tag out of the cardstock and added a quote. It's another tuck spot for a couple more tags. More space to write. Space to write. And I thought this book was so pretty. Added another piece of lace. Another journaling page, and then on a back page I put a journaling card as a pocket. I put down Lavender Blu Journals with some washi tape, and then there's 2 more tags in there. So this was it's just so pretty. It went together quick and easy, and lots of stuff to use for documenting your February. So I hope you like that. I will have all the links below, and I'll be back next month with another project for Lavender Blu Journals. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.